Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will share with you a simple video editing app. Let's begin. The video editing app name is Vita. It is easy video editing app with all features you need for videography. Open Play Store. In the below tab, click on Apps option. In the search box, type Vita, V-I-T-A, the first blue colored icon. Click on this. Click on Install option to install Vita app on mobile. Here I have already installed. Next step is click on Open option to open Vita app. I have opened it from Play Store. After installation, violet color icon Vita is visible. You can click on this Open app. This is the home page of Vita app. With the help of Vita app, you can create amazing videos. It provides high quality features. Several features are available with the Vita app, such as speed up option. You can add slow motion with the video. You can add transitions. You can also apply filters to the video for color grading. You can select songs from the music library and apply to the videos. Let's get started with the Vita app. In the home page, in the below tab, first option is home and second is template. Here several template option is available. In the project option, here no projects are saved. First step is to click on the right top option, settings. In the settings option, first is Vita watermark. You can set watermark, enable or disable. It is up to you to keep it on or off. Here I want it off. Next is resolution. You can choose a resolution of the video. Close setting tab. Click on new project option to select a video. Select video. Click on blue arrow button. In the below tab, style, edit, ratio, effect, music, text and more options are available. Click on ratio option to set the ratio, that is size of the video. For YouTube videos, the size is 16:9. You can choose size of the video. Click on tick option to save the size, to save the ratio. In this way, from the below tag, you can apply different high quality features in Vita. For example, music. You can apply music from here. You can set text and others. To edit video, click on second option, edit. Play the video.
Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel.
If you want to cut any portion of the video, click on split option and move ahead. Select the portion you want to remove or delete. Again, click on split. This is the portion I want to delete. Next step is to click on delete option to delete it. In this way, you can delete a part of a video. Again, for example, I want to split from here. Click split up till here. Again, click split. So this is the portion of 6 seconds I want to remove. Click on delete option. In this way, you can remove unwanted part from the video with the help of split option. After editing video, click on the back option. With the help of this plus blue sign, you can add more video to this existing video. Select the video to add. The video will be loaded into seconds. After video is loaded, in this way you can join many videos into one video using this plus sign. It will take few minutes to save the video. The video will be saved in the gallery. When you click on done option, it will be saved in the gallery, plus it is also saved in the Vita app projects. Here in the project, the video is visible. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching.